Hello, friends. Welcome to a fun and exciting English learning journey. Do you know what makes learning English so special? It's like opening a treasure chest full of wonderful surprises. With English, you can talk to people from different parts of the world, enjoy reading interesting books, and understand your favorite songs and movies. Imagine how much fun it will be to share your thoughts with others, no matter where they are from. Learning English might feel like climbing a big mountain at first. You might think, can I really do this? But let me tell you a secret. Every big goal starts with small steps. If you take it step by step, you'll soon see how much you've learned. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about trying, practicing, and having fun. So, are you ready to start? Let's do this together. Let's begin with the building blocks of English, the alphabet. Did you know that the English language has 26 letters? Each letter has its own name and sound. For example, the letter A sounds like apple, while B sounds like ball. Now, these letters can come together to make all kinds of words. But here's the tricky part. Some letters can sound different in different words. For example, the letter C sounds like cat in one word, but like city in another. That's why practicing the sounds is so important. Let's try some fun tongue twisters to practice these sounds. Repeat after me. She sells seashells by the seashore. Good job. Practice saying these every day. It helps your tongue get used to English sounds. Don't forget tricky letter combinations like TH in think or SH in ship. Now that we've learned the alphabet, it's time to start learning words. Words are like building blocks. They help you make sentences and share your ideas. Let's start with simple, everyday words. Think about the things you see or use every day. For example, animals, dog, cat, elephant. Foods, apple, banana, pizza. Places, school, home, park. Can you think of other words for things around you? To make learning words fun, try grouping them into categories. Let's do one together. Colors, red, blue, green, yellow. Now it's your turn. Name some colors you know. Great. Here's a tip. Use flashcards to learn new words. Take a small card, draw a picture of an object on one side, and write the word on the other. For example, draw an apple on one side and write apple on the other. Test yourself or play with a friend. You can even make a game out of it. Match the word to the picture. Set a goal to learn 5 new words every day. By the end of a week, you'll know 35 new words. Isn't that amazing? Write them down in a notebook and review them often to remember them better. Now let's talk about speaking English. Speaking is one of the best ways to learn. The more you speak, the more confident you'll feel. But where do you start? Start small. Talk about your day in English. For example, when you wake up, say, "Good morning. I'm gonna brush my teeth." Or when you eat lunch, say, "I'm eating rice and chicken." These simple sentences help you practice every day. Here's another idea. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Pretend you're a news reporter or a famous actor. Say things like, "Today is a sunny day," or "I'm going to the park." It might feel funny at first, but it's a great way to practice. If you have friends or family who can speak English, ask them to practice with you. You can play a question and answer game. For example, what's your favorite color? Friend, my favorite color is blue. Start with short sentences and work your way up to longer ones. And don't worry if you make mistakes. That's how we all learn. Listening is super important when learning English. The more you listen, the more you understand how words sound and how sentences are made. Start by listening to simple English songs. Songs are fun and help you remember words easily. Find a song you like, listen carefully, and try to sing along. For example, try this, "Twinkle, twinkle, little star." Can you sing it? Great job! You can also watch cartoons or movies in English. If they speak too fast, don't worry. Use subtitles to help you understand. Watch a scene, pause, and try to repeat what the characters say. It's like having a conversation with the TV. Podcasts and audio stories are also fantastic. You can listen to them while cleaning your room or playing outside. The more you listen, the more natural English will feel. Reading is like traveling to a new world without leaving your room. Start with books that match your level. Picture books, comics, or short stories. Let's try something fun. Find a book with pictures. Look at the pictures and guess what's happening before you read the words. Then read the story to see if you were right. Every time you find a word you don't know, write it down in your notebook. Look up its meaning and try to use it in your sentences. For example, if you learn the word jump, you can say, "I can jump high." Writing helps you put your thoughts into words. Start small, write about your day. For example, today, I played with my dog. You can also keep a journal. Write what made you happy, sad, or excited. If you saw something fun like a rainbow, write about it. Writing doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to come from you. Learning English can feel like playtime. Use apps like Duolingo to learn new words and phrases with fun quizzes. Play word games like Scrabble or Boggle with friends and family. You can even create your own word games. For example, write down 10 words and mix up the letters. Can you unscramble them? Learning has never been so fun. Learning English takes time, so be kind to yourself. Celebrate every win, whether it's learning a new word or saying a full sentence. Remember, every mistake is a step forward. Keep going, and soon, you'll be speaking English like a pro.